Welcome to the Weather Centre, everyone. We have the weekend upon us, but first let's see what the remainder of Friday's weather holds in store for us. Starting off with a look back, though, at what the day has brought so far to the country, and it remained cloudy over the east coast as well as the adjacent interior. There was some light rain for some areas, and thunder showers have developed from the northwest through to parts of Mpumalanga and the northern interior of KZN. Western South Africa has remained clear, and it's been a hot day across the northern parts of the country, extending from the Northern Cape all the way through to Limpopo and even in Gauteng, where temperatures were well above 30 degrees this afternoon. Now, for the rest of this evening, it remains clear over the western parts, otherwise cloudy along the east coast and further inland. We're still expecting rainfall over KZN overnight and still a possibility for thunderstorms this evening over parts of the Highveld. Tomorrow is going to start off cloudy with drizzle and fog along the eastern escarpment. Some of that cloud cover will push quite far inland over Limpopo and Mpumalanga, and we're expecting thunder showers to develop across most of the Highveld on Saturday afternoon, while in the west another sunny day expected, and along with that warmer weather in the forecast for the northern and western Cape. Now, this evening will continue to bring scattered thunder showers from the northwest, including around Mahikeng, through the northern Free State and much of Mpumalanga. Light rain still possible for Durban and Richards Bay, perhaps even into the areas just north of East London, as well as further inland, extending towards the Drakensberg later this evening. Northern and Western Cape, on the other hand, remaining dry, except around the Portsmouthburg area. Now, the South African Weather Service continues to issue a watch for the possibility of severe thunderstorms this evening over the western interior of KwaZulu-Natal. Moving ahead to a Metrovision, and Cape Town will remain clear, dry and warm overnight, although it will be still quite gusty in places. That southerly to southeasterly wind up to 30 kilometers per hour, and the winds will remain fairly unchanged as we head into Saturday afternoon. It's going to be a scorcher of a day for the City Bowl, 34 degrees as a maximum, sunny and hot weather around the peninsula. Minimum temperatures tomorrow morning, and it's going to be a cool start to the day over the interior of the Eastern Cape. Otherwise quite warm for the rest of the country, especially in the north. Uppington dropping down to 20 degrees overnight. And it's going to be a scorcher on Saturday for the western interior as well as near the west coast, most areas above 30 degrees. Somewhat cooler in Gauteng, although still remaining quite warm. Johannesburg at 28, and it's going to remain quite cool over KwaZulu-Natal, particularly for the interior of the province. On Sunday, we're expecting thunderstorms across much of South Africa's interior, still some rainfall along the eastern coastline, Cape Town remaining very hot. And by Monday, things will cool down along the west coast of the country, and we're finally going to see some drier weather for both Durban and Richards Bay.